my name is Vicky and welcome to my channel. Today I will be discussing or unboxing my April BoxyCharm. This is the base box for 2021 and let's get into it. Now for those that are maybe not be familiar with BoxyCharm, it's basically a monthly subscription box and there's three levels or tiers of base boxes, which is what I have. That's $25 per month and you receive 5 items. Of those 5, you receive or you're able to select one choice item. And on average, the box is worth about $175. And again, you have 5 items. The next level is the premium box. That's $35 per month. I believe in that box you have 6 items. You're now able to select 2 each month that you receive your box, 2 choice items, which is kind of nice. I'm almost thinking about switching the choice myself because of that. I believe the average value on that is like $2.15. And then the third box is the Luxe box. That's a quarterly box. It's a lifestyle box. You receive 8+ items. Average value, I believe, is like $395. But again, it's quarterly, so it's March, June, September, December. We just had it last month. And if you have the base box and you upgrade to the Luxe, the months that you receive the Luxe, you won't get the base. So that's pretty much how it goes. Again, welcome to the channel. And now let's get into this box. Now, the very first item that I have here, this is Natasha Denona. It's an eyeshadow palette. Came in this type of packaging. And here's the actual palette. Now I have a little bit of it on right here. It's kind of like an everyday dusk to dawn type palette. Some of the colorways didn't quite work out for me, but I did try this, and I'm going to try them maybe with an eyeshadow primer or something to see if I get more color payoff. But if not, it's still a good palette, because I don't think these shades are so hot for me. But here we are. You can see it. Now let's see what is actually the name of it. This is actually the Ayana eyeshadow palette. And again, okay, you can create day looks, evening looks, and very creamy. And let's see, dazzling chroma or crystals. Okay, suitable for every skin tone. It's cruelty-free and allergen-free, so that's good to know in case you have very sensitive skin. Now the price point is $48 for the Natasha Denona 5-pan eyeshadow palette. Okay, the next item I have, this was my choice item. This is the TouchSoul Pretty Filter Icy Sorbet Primer. Here's the packaging. And this actually reminds me of like Jello or something. It's so pretty. Let me show you the actual product. So here's it's kind of like a frosted, very pretty, very pretty. And it also has a lovely scent too, because I did open this a little earlier. And just so you guys can see. So there's that. And here's the kind of like the consistency, a gel. You can see just going on. Oh, and it smells so good. I can't wait to use this tomorrow. I'll give it a shot. So let's see what the card says. TouchSoul. Okay, this formula is silicone free, so that's good for some folks that silicone doesn't quite agree with. No worries here. Let's see, water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. So that's a good thing. Gel primer, and that's it. Now the price point on this primer is $32. Okay, not bad at all. So that's TouchSoul. Now let's see, the very next item. This is Georgette Klinger, I believe. Okay, it's a vitamin C mask, very elegant packaging here. And then here's the actual mask. Here we go, here. Bring it in so you guys can see. And It's a pump type dispense here. So just, and there's not much of a scent either, so no worries there. You guys can, that's our little mask, and let's see what our card says about this. Okay, Georgette Klinger, revitalize, brighten, and even your complexion. Okay, it's a clay base, sorry about that, a clay base mask that draws out impurities and allowing, okay, we have some avocado oils, okay, to nourish and revitalize the skin. And also, let's see here, infused with vitamin C to protect skin and prevent free radical damage. That is great. We could all use a great mask. So that's, again, it's Georgette Klinger, and it's $36 for this little guy. And I probably will try that this weekend. Let's see what else I have here. Queen Studio Mascara. And I actually have that on now. Here's the packaging for the mascara. It's like in a black, the shade. That's the packaging. And here's the actual mascara. Let me show you guys the brush, the applicator rather. So there you have it. And let's see what this card says in regards to this. Queen Studio Dragon Lash Mascara. Price point $18. Now, what's different about this? It says here, unlike conventional wax-based mascaras, tubing mascaras contain polymers that wrap around your lashes, creating tubes so they don't smudge or flake. Plus, they're easy to remove, and you're less likely to experience lash fallout, during removal for healthier lashes. And this is supposed to give you, this mascara is supposed to instantly create the look of lash extensions with the Dragon Lash Mascara. Okay, see, the lash doubling volumizing mascara lengthens and separates, giving you flirty black lashes. Okay, so again, that is Queen Studio Dragon Lash Mascara, $18. And let's see what else we have here. Mana Kadar Beauty Pluck It 2-piece tweezer set. And I had some difficulties getting my box open so you guys can see. But this is the nice packaging that the tweezer set is in. And let me show them to you. Just like one's white and one's pink. So you can see. Oops, didn't mean to do that, folks. There's the white one. So you want it to pop out. So pop out the pink too. And here's the pink one. And let's see what the card has here. Okay, it's time to say pluck it to bad brows. Okay, let's see here. For precise plucking and one pointed, okay, tweeze. Okay. So this is $18. Mana Kadar Beauty Pluck It 2-piece tweezer set. And who can't use an extra tweezer or two? I know I can. So that's pretty much it for my April box. Let me tally up and see what we came up with here. Let's see. My Natasha Denona, that's $48. The eyeshadow palette. Okay. My TouchSoul, the Sorbet primer, that is $32. And then I have my Georgette Klinger, the vitamin C mask. That's $36. And then the Queen Studio Dragon Lash Mascaras, $18. And then Mana Kadar, the Beauty Pluck It tweezer set. That's also $18. So my April box came for a total of $152, which is wonderful because for $25, you can't beat that. Even if you don't use everything in the box, you're bound to find something that you're going to like and perhaps gift others away to someone. So that's April. Again, the theme for this month is sweet treats. Let me bring that in. Easter theme. And that's it. So I'd like to thank you for watching my little unboxing. And if you would be so kind to, rate or thumbs up, share my video, much appreciated. And again, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next month if I don't come back and do a review, or maybe I'm thinking either this item, the vitamin C, or it might be, or the primer. I'm going to try to come back because I know for sure I'm going to be using these, and maybe I'll do like a week and then come back and give my opinion on how, after a week of use, how did it perform, how did the products perform. But if there's something that you'd like me to do an additional review on, drop it down below. I'll be happy to do so. Again, thank you so much, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day and a great weekend. Take care.